This quick guide shows how to buy shares of Consumer Portfolio Services, Inc., a specialty consumer finance company that acquires and services retail loan receivables and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CPSS. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker CPSS to find Consumer Portfolio Services, Inc. Confirm you select the matching NASDAQ listing for the correct company. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker CPSS to confirm it's the right stock. Tap Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest. Then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may become a pending market order, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After the trade executes, the position will appear in your portfolio view. Find the link in the description if you want to follow the same steps on eToro.